Okay, so let's continue reviewing the drawBoundingBox method. So now we have interactivity with the bounding boxes because we are able to drag the bounding boxes around, and by moving or dragging the bounding boxes, we are able to move the bones and their images. So now we are going to introduce the concept of physics. What if I wanted to apply physics and not only a drag event on the bounding boxes? So we're going to add additional parameters to the bounding boxes. And to do that, we need to add a couple of parameters, and you can see which ones they are towards to the end of the drawBoundingBox method. If you go a little bit to the bottom, right here in this section, because in enable physics, you'll be able to see the parameters that we need. So the first parameter that we need is hasBody equals true. So let's set up that parameter for each of the bounding boxes that we have here. hasBody equals true. Because we have physics now and we can expect to have falling pieces, I need to add a floor. Let me just copy and paste some code that I have here, because I don't want to have my body parts to go beyond the screen. So I'm going to draw a floor, and I'm going to enable physics on the project. So let's play the project now to see how it looks. Currently, you don't see any change other than seeing physics around the bounding boxes. If you notice, the color change slightly, and here we have the floor. And here the thing with the animation is this: whenever the animation is playing, the animation takes more priority than physics. So each of the body parts, with the exception of the center, have physics enabled, but the animation is taking precedence over the physics. So let me stop the animation so you can see how it works. So let's say that after 5 seconds, I want to stop the animation. And as soon as I stop the animation, physics it's going to take control of the movement of the different bounding boxes. Let me just copy the exact name of the. Okay, this is stop animation. Okay, let's run the project again. So after 5 seconds, we are going to stop the animation, and physics is going to take control of the pieces. If you notice, we have pieces flying around, with the exception of the center, which is not a physics body. As you can see, you can add physics very easily just by adding this extra parameter of hasBody equals true. But we can also change other parameters. So let's review what they are. We can change the density, of course, the friction, the bounce, whether it's sensor or not, and we can change the body tab. Although I don't recommend to change this to a static character, because if a body part is a moving piece, by definition it's not a static body. So that's why by default, whenever you enable the has body equals true, it automatically defaults to a dynamic body. So that's what I wanted to show in this video, just to show you how easy it is to add physics to a body. So let me stop the video now and continue with the rest of videos.